Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Kids, first we use the color of black. And now we draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1, O-N-E 1. Now we draw the number of 2, T-W-O, 2. Kids, the next one is 3. And now we draw the number of 4, F-O-U-R, 4. Now we draw the number of 5, F-I-V-E, 5. The next one is 6, S-I-X, 6. Kids, now we draw the number of 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw the number of 9. Kids, the next one is 10. T-E-N, 10. And now we draw the number of 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. Now we draw the number of 13. And the next one is 14. Kids, now we draw the number of 15. Sixteen. Now we draw the number of 17. And the next one is 18. Now we draw the number of 19. The last one is 20. Today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.